In this guide, you learn how to fix Instagram chat failed to load earlier messages. Let's get started. First, make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also, give a first restart your router if you're using Wi-Fi. Next up, check for app update. So launch App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, clear cache for the app. So launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Instagram and launch it. Click on Upload app, confirm it. Wait for a few seconds, then click on Reinstall app. Then you can head back, go to Software Update. If any updates are available for your device, just update it. Next up, launch your Instagram app, navigate to Settings and Activity page, scroll all the way down, click on Logout, confirm it, wait for a few minutes and log in back. Next up, check the server status of Instagram. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in Instagram server status and search for it. Now, head over to the website Down Detector. If there are any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. With these, your problem might be fixed. If not, you can completely delete Instagram app. For that, press and hold on the Instagram app, select Remove app, click on Delete app, click on Delete. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram and install it. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.